All right, guys, we got something special for you guys today. It's a 1998 Chevy 1500, K1500. I think it's a 5.9 or 5.7 liter. I'm not sure. But anyways, what we got done on it is got long tube headers there and there. Then we put on it two high flow cats there and there. Then we true dualed it right there. And you always want to cross them to equalize the back pressure. That's why we crossed them all the way back, 2 1/4. Or sorry guys, not 2 1/4, it's too early in the morning. 2 1/2 all the way back and all the way back into 10-inch tips there and there. You guys, as you guys can see, it's true dualed all the way back. Long tube headers, high flow cats, 2 1/2-inch pipe into massive 10-inch tips. Right there. There they are. True dualed all the way. A massive rear end, massive front end. I think it's off of a bread truck. Massive wheels, 12-inch lift. He's still working on it. He just bought it. But he needed to get the exhaust done to make it sound right. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we got done on it for you guys? Something special. True duals, got headers on it on each side. They were done somewhere else. And then what we did is put two high flow cats side by side. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side. Right there and right there. Into massive 6-inch tips by 18s angle cut. There and there. And when they tell you they can't do it, you bring it to us and we can do it. This thing is lowered, as you guys can see from the tire, and we still managed to clear everything and do duals for them. True duals all the way back, right there. Just like that. There it is. It's a cold start. Sounds magnificent. It's loud. That sounds mean. It looks good too. I like it. Just sounds beast. Came out really clean, guys. You see it? Really nice. Go ahead. Oh, that sounds sick. There's sound decibels again. Right at 123. Yeah, it's awesome. Listen to that. Again? That sounds phenomenal. Tell us what you think. The beast is finally picked up. Good way to end the year with 20-inch tips.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, Appalachia's next. I got you, bro. Have a good one. Silverado. True duals, high flows. It's got a cam in it. Long tube header. Still warming up. 6-inch tips. You can still hear it. I love it. Hope you guys enjoy.